Okay, this video is going to be a bit different than my normal video. This is going to be me talking about my Razer products, all the Razer products I own, and what I use them for. Okay, we're going to start with this. Okay, this is technically a Razer product that I own. I say technically because I don't use it anymore, but it is in fact a mic. It's called the Razer Siren. As you can see, it is a mic. It's actually a USB mic. As you can see, it's very old. It still uses USB Mini. Yeah. So that's pretty interesting. This is like the OG Razer Siren. So it's very sentimental to me, if I'm being perfectly honest. This is a mic, arguably my first Razer product that I can remember. So yeah, very sentimental, if you will. Yeah. And then next, this is in no particular order, by the way. Next, we have this. This is a knob for volume and stuff. Like, you can mute, unmute, and stuff. And it's powered via Bluetooth. So what happens is that you can just control your system volume by tuning the dial up and down. Technically, you can do more in Synapse, but yeah, it's not always going to, it will work without Synapse. Sorry, I got a bit distracted, but yeah. Next, we have this, which I have in the case because I always feel like I should put it in its case every time, honestly. And this is actually this is pretty cool actually. It's called Raiju. I had to double check the name because I'm real bad at fancy names like this, but it's called the Raiju V3 Pro Esports Green Edition. See, this is the dongle, and then these are the, additional things to put for the, yeah. And what's cool about this is, as you can see, it's a controller, right? Particularly it's a PS5 controller, but it will work on PC as well. This is pretty cool because, it had all the PS5 stuff, of course, that you would expect from an official licensed PS5 controller. As you can see from the buttons, they are PlayStation buttons, PlayStation icon, PlayStation everything there and whatnot for you. Even the PlayStation Me button. It's pretty cool. I'll actually show you guys real quick. If we look at a controller, this is the typical PS5 controller. This is the Raiju V3 Pro PS5 controller. So, yeah. Now, the biggest difference is probably on the back. Okay. So, I'll show you guys. Okay. So, on the back, we have this. Let's see, these are additional buttons. And then there's also like additional, you can control how much these actually go down. Like if you only want to go part ways, you just move these over here and then they only go part way. Or if you want to go back full ways, you do that. There's other buttons here and what have you. And yeah, this is just like a competitive gaming type thing. And like I said, there's a dongle included that, of course, you can just hook it up to a PC or I believe a PlayStation PS5 as well. So, yeah, that is pretty cool. I will be honest, out of all of the Razer products I've shown you so far, I probably used this the least. Okay, so yeah. And then finally, there is one more Razer product I want to show you guys. Yes, I don't actually have too many Razer products. The last one I want to show you guys is this. Okay, these are headphones, okay? They are hybrid noise cancellation, which I enjoy quite a bit because, see, I'm not the biggest fan of like super like noise cancellation like directly, like super pinpoint, like cancels everything. I like to be partly aware of my surroundings at least. So hybrid noise cancellation, pretty awesome. And then as you can see the blue here, it's PlayStation blue, meaning that this can be plugged up to the PlayStation as well as the PC. I will be honest, I use it for the PC. I do not plug it up to the PlayStation, but it is nice that that is an option. Okay. But these are actually very nice headphones. There's a volume thing on the side. But even if there wasn't, I could just use this, what I showed you guys earlier, because of the fact that it controls whatever main thing, whatever the default device on your PC is at the time, it controls it. So if I switch it to headphones, it would control headphones and what have you. And it's actually very cool. I'll actually put a link to everything I've mentioned, Razer product wise, or at least some of what I mentioned, if I can find the link. The Razer Siren, the one I showed in the beginning, they actually don't make this exact Razer Siren anymore. But there are other Razer Sirens. I think Razer still makes mics. So maybe I'll put one of those in the link in the description below. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video to kind of, for you guys as well as me, for you guys, so you guys can see what Razer products I actually use, and for me, for the future me, actually to know how many Razer products I had at this time of recording this, so I can look back at the date and be like, yeah. So, yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.